Hello everyone! Welcome back to my channel. Nako, it's been a while. Ayun, kakagising ko lang from my nap and meron akong pupuntahan kasi wala akong baon for tonight's shift. So, naalala ko na meron pa akong freebies na hindi nakukuha from YouTube YouTube Partner Perks. So, ayun, at ako ay pupunta ngayon para kunin ang aking pang-ilan ko na ba to? Hindi ko na matandaan. Siguro mga pangatlo, pang-apat ko na freebies from YouTube. So, tara samahan niyo ako. And ako ay pupunta sa Subway. Ayun, as I was saying, another YouTube Partner Perks freebies na naman. At actually, yung isa kong freebies nag-expire na kasi hindi ko siya pinipick up. So, ayun. Sometimes kasi yung mga pinapadala sa akin ng YouTube Partner Perks na freebies, meron siyang expiry. Kaya, dapat, bago siya mag-expire, dapat ma-claim mo na siya. So, yun. And, eto, ang expiry nito, this coming Friday, I think. November 8 ba? November 8 or November 5. Basta yon, mag-expire na siya. So, bago pa siya mag-expire at bago ako manghinayang na naman, ay i-claim ko na ang aking pangatlo nga ba na freebies. Ayun, from YouTube Partner Perks. Ayan, again, thank you so much, YouTube Partner Perks. Ayan, let's go to Subway. So, this is the email that I got from YouTube Partner Perks. And I got a Subway gift card. So, the gift card expires on December 31st, 2025. So, this is the digital copy of my Subway gift card worth $10 digital credit. I have the QR code just in case I need to scan it at the store. So, this one, you can redeem it in store or online. Okay, tara, samahan nyo ako mag-drive papunta sa Subway. Actually, malapit lang naman yung Subway sa amin eh. Will take us like 10 minutes to get there. Para din ma-flex ko na rin yung ganda ng panahon ngayon. Look at the clouds. Sobrang ganda ng mga clouds ngayon. So, this is our neighborhood. Marami naman na nakakita sa inyo sa mga other vlogs ko ng aming neighborhood. At i-flex ko lang ang aming neighborhood dahil it's autumn. Kaya maganda ang mga leaves. Nag-iiba ang kanilang color every autumn. Kaya naman gusto ko kayong isama habang nagda-drive ako papunta sa subway. O, diba? Ganda, diba? Ano sa inyo? Ang ganda ng clouds. I love it. Gustong-gusto ko kapag ganyan yung nakikita kong clouds. Temperature for today, it's 68 degrees Fahrenheit. So, hindi ganun kainit, hindi ganun kalamig. The weather is just perfect. So, malapit-lapit na tayo guys sa ating destination. Binagalan ko lang ang pagdadrive para ma-enjoy nyo rin yung scenery. Okay, kakanan na tayo dito. At malapit na tayo sa ating destination. Di ba malapit lang sa bahay namin? So, ayun ang subway on the right side. So, yun, we just arrived at Subway. So, andun siya. Asan na ba yun? Ayun. Yun. Ay. So, ayan, nandyan tayo pupunta sa Subway. And, i-claim natin yung ating YouTube partner perks na freebies. Ayun. So, samahan niyo ako sa loob. Sobrang short errands ko lang to dahil wala talaga akong baon for tonight sa aking shift. So, ayun. Tara, sayang naman. Mag-e-expire na kasi ito sa, sa Saturday. So, ayun. Wednesday na. So, malapit nang mag-expire. Kaya, i-claim na natin. And by the way, ang aking gift card from YouTube, they gave me a $10 gift card from Subway. So, ayun. Ayun, tara guys. Can I get a steak Philly?
Okay, what kind of that?
What are the choices?
Italian, or cheesy?
The Italian herbs.
6-inch or footlong?
What was that?
6-inch or footlong?
The footlong one? What are the choices?
American program pepper.
Pepper jack. That one, is that lettuce? If I add avocado, there's another extra charge. How much is that?
230.
And let's just add cucumber. And tomatoes. That should be it.
Any sauce?
What are these? Sweet onion teriyaki, honey mustard. The peppercorn ranch. Thank you. Okay, so this is the summary of my order. They have 6-inch, which is $8.29, and a foot long, which is $12.89. The bread that I chose is the toasted Italian herbs and cheese, and the cheese that I pick is a pepper jack cheese. Veggies that I pick are lettuce, tomatoes, cucumber, and pickles. And for the sauce, it's gonna be a peppercorn ranch. So ayun, nakuha ko na yung order ko, and meron siyang difference na $3. Actually, yung regular niya, it's, I forgot if it is $8, yung regular. Eh, gusto ko nang i-maximize yung, yung gift card, because the gift card that YouTube gave me is a $10 gift card. So, kesa magkaroon pa ng difference, 'di ba? Para ma-max out natin yung gift card na binigay sa akin ni YouTube para sa Subway. So, ang ginawa ko lang, pinasobrahan ko na lang. Kasi there's a regular and there's a footlong. So, footlong na lang yung, yung kinuha kong sandwich. Para, ayun nga, ma-maximize natin yung, yung gift card from Subway. So, ayun, and meron na akong pambaon mamayang gabi. Hindi ko naman siya mauubos. Dahil sobrang laki niya. Nakita niyo naman sa aking video habang piniprep ang aking sandwich. So, yun. And of course, I just wanna thank YouTube Partner Perks again and again. Dahil pangatlo na to na perks from YouTube. So, thank you so much, YouTube Partner Perks. And busog na naman ako for tonight's shift. So, ayun. Thank you so much. Ako uuwi na. And, ayun. Thank you, YouTube Partner Perks. So, ito ang aking order from Subway. And, ganito siya kalaki. Oh my goodness. Ayan. Ganito siya kalaki. Hindi ko naman siya mauubos for just first hand to. Ayan, kamusta naman yan, 'di ba? Mga ilang dangkal. Mga 2 dangkal to. And makapal siya, kita nyo naman. Sobrang kapal ng aking sandwich from Subway. And yun. Thank you so much. YouTube Partner Perks for my sandwich. May baon na ako mamaya. Okay, thank you so much. Thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell para lagi kayong updated sa aking mga vlogs. Pasensya na, medyo kakagising lang. Kaya ganito ang itsura. Ayun. Thank you guys. Till my next vlog. Bye, Team LCE, Shouty. Thank you so much. Bye-bye again, YouTube Partner Perks. Thank you so much. YouTube Partner Perks, thank you so much. Ayan, this is my Subway sandwich. It's so good. Thank you. Thank you for my dinner tonight. Thank you so much. So good.